Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best 12-inch subwoofer in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best 12-inch subwoofer. Starting at number 5, we have the Belva 1200 watt peak subwoofer. Did your car subwoofer recently develop fault? Are you tired of the sound output of your car subwoofer and preparing to purchase a new replacement? Do you wish to always enjoy your ride with excellent sound output from a durable subwoofer? If yes, you need to consider purchasing the Belva 1200 watt peak subwoofer. The fantastic device is designed to add desirable bass to your music at any time point. Each subwoofer of this brand can effectively handle 200 watt RMS power, meaning that a total of 400 watts RMS is used by the entire system. In terms of its quality, the subwoofer is constructed with durable and extra-strength 5/8-inch dense fiberboard which facilitates low-frequency sound wave that is generated when the subwoofer is in use. The subwoofer has a 250 watt monoblock amplifier through which you can connect to factory radios and any other sound source without any hassle. Furthermore, the installation of its amplifier is easy and straightforward. You can access its amplifier installation kits which include a high-qualify fuse holder, 20-foot 8-gauge power cable, 16 feet of 18-gauge turn-on wire of blue color, rubber grommets, and many more. Moving on at number 4, we have the Skar Audio EVL12. If you want loud, ground-shaking bass that can rattle brick, don't sleep on the Skar Audio EVL12. This subwoofer pushes out 1,250 watts of RMS power, more than a lot of subs' peak capacity. And with 2,500 watts of peak power, you can make some serious noise. Not to mention low, rumbling noise, 25 Hz on the low end will replicate thunder. The only drawback is the harder you push the Skar EVL12, the muddier it sounds. That may be due to Skar's competition-grade paper cone and high-roll foam surround. But the good news is the efficient airflow cooling and high-temperature voice coils will handle abuse. Skar advertises the EVL12 as an ideal sub for competition and daily applications. No question it will hold up. Just keep the volume at or under RMS capacity and you'll be fine. At number 3, we have the Rockford Fosgate P 312. Sometimes it's easier to buy a complete subwoofer package. However, many leave something to be desired with build or sound quality. The Rockford Fosgate P 312 has no such issues. The built-in amplifier provides 300 watts of RMS power and 1,300 watts of peak power to get the job done. Whether you're adding a subwoofer to an OEM factory stereo or an aftermarket setup, all you have to do is hook it up. It also comes with some nice extras like auto on, off and a variety of connection options. There's also a built-in bass equalizer allowing you to adjust the frequencies of the bass line to adapt to the music. The sealed enclosure is made of durable plastic and provides resonant, deep bass with clear notes and a clean sound. It's an attractive box but a big one. It will fit in most trunks but won't leave room for golf clubs or large suitcases. Some people like to build their own subwoofer enclosures, wire up speakers and amplifiers, and obsess about car audio down to the brand of speaker wire. If you're one of those people, the Rockford Fosgate P 312 isn't for you. But if you want an all-in-one subwoofer that provides big resonant bass sound in a handsome durable enclosure, and is easy to hook up, this is most definitely it. At number 2, we have the MTX Audio Terminator. The Audio Terminator is a killer name for a subwoofer, especially one as good as the MTX. The size alone will impress your friends and the bass will rattle their bones. It's a good thing the polypropylene cones are rigid and durable to handle the abuse. With 1000 watts RMS and 2000 watts peak power, it gets loud enough to feel in the car next to you. It's also as large as a Terminator, as in the cyborg played by Arnold Schwarzenegger. The 14 by 29 by 13 inch dimensions might not fit in your trunk or even your backseat. It's a great setup for an SUV or car with a hatchback or large trunk. But if you want to levitate a Miata or Mini Cooper with powerful bass, you will want something smaller. Fortunately, MTX offers smaller sized enclosures. At least the Terminator speakers are lightweight and they look as good as they sound. The vented enclosure ensures the bass hits hard while keeping the speakers cool. You can also control the bass with an external knob that can be mounted to your dashboard or console. The one-wire control setup is easy and lets you decide how much bass you want. The base MTX Terminator doesn't include an amplifier, but you can order one with the speakers and enclosure if you need it. Or there's a complete sound package that includes everything you need to hook it up to a factory OEM stereo. But whatever setup you go with, the Audio Terminator will either make your neighbors jealous or hate you for the loud, booming sound. And finally at number 1, we have the Rockford Fosgate P3D 4-12. If you want great all-around sound quality and bass response, the Rockford Fosgate P3D 4 should be at the top of your list. With 600 watts of RMS power and a peak power rating of 1200 watts, it provides any music with full, low, resonant bass. Part of why the P3D4 provides great sound is Rockford Fosgate's vast technology or vertical attached surround technique. It's a fancy name for the technology that increases the speaker's effective cone area. Combined with the lightweight anodized aluminum cone, VAST provides responsive, full-sounding bass and can be used in a sealed or ported enclosure. Drawbacks are minor but include a lower sensitivity rating than other subwoofers. At 85 decibels, it doesn't convert power into volume as well as other models. Additionally, the frequency range stops at 28 Hz. That's fine for most applications but won't give you the subsonic rumble you feel more than here. But if you favor sound quality over rattling your fillings, it doesn't get better than Rockford Fosgate's P3D4. It's a handsome, well-made, durable subwoofer that provides resonant all-around bass sound. The flex-fit frame makes it adaptable to fit just about any 12-inch space. It will also look good in that space, and more importantly, sound incredible.
Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.